Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the ISO and choosing whether to mount or extract immediately. This prevents wasted time later. Once done, check the SHA 256 or SHA 1 checksum to confirm integrity and make sure your license supports the addition inside. Next, plug in an 8+ GB USB or select a folder with 50+ GB free. Then mount the ISO in File Explorer or Extract with a trusted tool. These first actions set a clean base for creating installation media or upgrading directly. Now you make the bootable installer so the system can boot and install Windows. Open Rufus or the official media creation tool and point it at the ISO. Pick the partition scheme matching your target, GPT for UEFI, MBR for legacy BIOS. If install, WIM exceeds FAT32 limits, choose NTFS or use split WIM methods. Otherwise, FAT32 is widely compatible. Once the tool writes files and sets the USB as bootable, safely eject the drive and prepare to boot the target machine from it. Finally, you boot the target PC from the USB and run the Windows installer. Select language, accept terms, and choose custom install if you want fresh partitions. Make sure to format or create partitions only after confirming backups, and then proceed with installation. Windows will reboot several times automatically. If the installer fails, check the ISO checksum again, confirm UEFI/legacy, and secure boot settings, and ensure storage drivers are loaded. These fixes resolve most boot or detection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.